Life is simple. That's what it says on the boat. Okay, so now we need to see where we have to meet for our excursion. So we're about 15 minutes early for our excursion. So we're just sitting over here. Nice little seating area that we can sit at until it's time to go. I'll show you the view from this way.
No, this is for the catamaran one.
Amiga Island experience. Gorgeous.
Onto the island, you will have to go down a ladder. There's only 4 steps, but your feet will definitely get wet, possibly up to your waist.
Wow. Everybody looking like
It has turned throughout the day a little bit from stuff on the boat. And last thing, the internet said that it wouldn't be raining. But obviously the internet did lie today. Now if it rains while we're out on the island,
we can't
there
go.
is no shelter against the rain, so if it rains, we get wet. That's right now. You have that option.
Is this the island tour?
Yeah, Amiga Island.
Okay. So if you don't want to come, you will be automatically refunded as long as I don't have your ticket. Right?
We'll get refunded as well.
Auto be?
I guess if the weather.
Are we going this way? Come on. Let me hold your stuff. Amiga Island experience.
Let's go.
Got it? He said the little tickets. You already ripped them off?
Yeah, he did. The guy did.
Oh.
We put like a.
Do you have her ticket? Okay. Thank you very much. Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hi, how are you doing?
Oh, bouncy. Oh my God, my back is about to break. I seen this and I didn't know we would be walking on this thing. Yeah. Oh, you want to sit right here? We can sit right here. Oh, they gonna get wet, ain't they? You cool right here? She just said it. Say hi.
Last, if it rains, you get wet. Everybody good with that?
Yes.
All right.
After we get all choking.
I don't know. I guess so. I guess we can wait.
How are y'all doing today?
Good.
All right. So welcome with Natsia. My name is Stefan. In the back by the bar, we have Fritz, Frankie, Will, Ganel, and Reggie.
Oh wow.
Hello.
Hi.
And upstairs today we have Captain Adonir. Alright, on behalf of all of us, welcome to Haiti. We are all here to help in any way possible. If you have any questions, anything you need, anything you want, let us know and we'll try our absolute best to make it happen for you. Now, the guys are soon going to be passing around some rum punches and fruit punches.
Okay.
It is way past noon, but even if it wasn't, it would be 5 o'clock somewhere.
Yes.
And you all are on vacation, right?
Yes.
Somewhere, right?
Yes.
Exactly. That is all we're going to be serving on board, but once we get out to the island, we'll have plenty more good stuff like more rum, of course, vodka, whiskey, gin, tequila. We will have a few soft drinks, and also today we have 4 of our local beers, Prestige and Kinam. I highly recommend both of them. Now we're going to make it out there in about 30 minutes, but while we're on board, we have 2 very simple rules. Number 1, do not go in back by the engines. And number 2, do not go overboard unless we say it's okay. And we will not say it's okay. Can everybody handle that?
Yes.
All right. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
Thank you.
We don't get to go upstairs by the cat.
Yes, you could.
Oh.
Upstairs deck is
I'm drinking rum and Red Bull. Where the music at? Where the music? Yes. Thank you. He almost fell.
Whoa.
Woo! Yay, we got the music of my life. I'll be doing the same dance the whole time. I said I'll be doing the same dance the whole time. I think this is Amiga Island arriving.
Everybody, so welcome to Amiga Island.
I don't want to have to get off right here.
For the next 2 hours, and
my
as
God.
you can see, the island is pretty small. So feel free to walk around it. It will only take between 5 and 7 minutes to do so. Now, if you do wear some kind of footwear because there are rocks, shells, and there might also be some washed up sea urchins. So be a big careful where you make your feet. And also, you also look at the gazebo down there. Now, there's 6 feet the island. Although it is furnished, that is not for us. That is for operator. Whereas for you all, it's everything to the right, so right behind us. So all of the white box chairs, the yellow chairs, the wooden chairs are for you. So get comfortable, make yourselves at home. And we have 2 more rooms here. First room, you also those pillars sticking out of the water.
Yes.
Be aware they are there. There are some smaller ones as well on the sand, but it is absolutely fine to the left or to the right, but please not be between or on the pillars.
Well, I'm glad we moved closer. I thought we had to get out here.
We're going to put 2 ladders down in the back. There are only 4 steps. Please go down to the 4th and last step and wait there till one of the crew members says it is okay to step off. Do not step off before they say so, and when they do say so, please take a big step and continue walking up towards the beach.
Finally off the boat. So excited. I'm so glad we have so much more time here than we did at the beach yesterday in Dominican Republic. Time to woosah. I know, I'm glad they cut the music on. Time to get in the water. I think I'm going to put my hair up because I forgot to bring hair products. And my hair is crazy, and then the water is going to make it even more dry, so yeah. Finally in Haiti. Oh my goodness. I just had a realization. I hope it's not too blurry. I have it in a water case. I'm about to go over here and see what's back here. Sometimes I love my life. Oh, they said after the white building. Oh, what's through here? Let me see. Labadee. Am I going the right way? This way? Oh my goodness. What kind of plants are these? You don't know what kind of plants? My skin is so sensitive. Whew, okay. Okay. So he said this side. Wait. Where's the bathroom? I don't know where he said. Oh, maybe this way. This sand is nice and cool. Hey, hey. My toes are blending in with the trees. I love it. Go to the bathroom. Go back. Sip a little tequila. I'm glad they got tissue. Whew. My skin is so sensitive, so I'm trying not to get all of these leaves on me.
It's okay, just like you feel the trees.
I know, but my skin is sensitive, and I don't want to.
You have allergic? I mean,
Maybe allergies to stuff.
or,
Yeah.
where you from?
USA? Yeah. Ooh. Almost hit my head on this tree. Huh? Almost back to the beach. Hi. Enjoying yourself? Yeah. I love my life. Huh? Yeah. Haiti! I look a mess again. This water is a lot cleaner than the beach in Dominican Republic. Look at this. Look how clear the water is.
Way cleaner.
You can see your feet through the water.
I don't know, it's kind of salty.
Yeah, my hair is still salty from, I guess, when I got in there the other day. Where? Oh, our cruise ship. Wow. Right, but at least it's not that one that was right there on the beach. I knew we had to go a little further than the beach at our docking center. Whoa! I'm about to finish this up and get in the water. Cheers to Haiti! I'm about to get them drinking this. You ready? We're just venturing around and seeing what's around the rest of the little island. On your table, they playing my song. And treat you right. My hair is a mess. Amiga Island experience. Pristine clear waters. See-through. Island all to yourself with the group that you come with.
Where go?
Oh, he's right here.
You too close.
Where you go?
Right there, right there, right there.
You think he want to go in the water?
Yeah. Where you passed us like that? It's something to go.
Oh, he just a roller. He all rolled up. Oh, he right there. Let me move, cause I don't know where he at. Oh, he right there. Right here. I'd be scared to pick up a crab. Look at this beautiful part of the island.
back.
10 minutes till go time.
Guys, you got 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
To pack your stuff.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, so great. So like 3:10. Almost 3 o'clock. We leave. Oh, well, 3:10 we leave, and maybe a little after 3:30 we get back. Less than an hour. Time to go. Amiga Island. I'm not ready. My hair is a mess. I'm not ready. time to go back to the ship now. Beautiful Haiti.
Lounges for two on that side. Aqua park, kayak adventure,
Wow.
coaster. Oh, that's what a coaster is.
Hey. I know, right? This is nice. Oh wow. It's really nice up here. Gorgeous. Wow.